Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are preparing one of the most famous Indian curries, korma. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using sunflower oil for this recipe. Make sure the heat is at medium and once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds followed by a pinch or 2 of asafoetida, which is also known as hing in Hindi. 1 medium finely chopped onion. Stir fry the onion and let it cook till it turns slightly golden brown. And if you are interested in easy vegan or plant-based recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Then add finely chopped 3 medium cloves of garlic and 1 inch of grated or finely chopped ginger. You can also replace these with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Turn the heat to low and cook for 2 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric powder and cook for a minute. Turmeric is such a miracle spice. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and even helps prevent so many diseases. Now add 1 medium finely chopped tomato. You can also use tomato puree if you like. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Remember that there are so many different ways vegetable korma can be prepared, and the recipes change from southern India to northern India and even from one region to another. You will find that in most of the recipes, all the vegetables are cooked together in a separate pot and then mixed with the spices later, but I like to do it this way. So let's start by adding the potatoes. We are going to cook this over medium heat for 5 minutes. Since the cooking time for all the vegetables is different, I prefer to add them to the pan at different intervals so they don't get overcooked. Now add chopped cauliflower and carrots. Cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. You can always choose to add more vegetables in this traditional curry or even use the ones you have at the moment or are seasonal. These are some of my favorites in the korma. Finally, add the frozen green peas. Mix everything and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add some water so the vegetables are slightly submerged. This will be also the gravy portion, so add it as per your requirement. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes over low heat. While the vegetables get cooked, let's get the spice paste ready. To the blender, add 1 bowl of desiccated coconut powder around 60 grams, 1 chili, which is optional, coriander seeds 2 teaspoons, fennel seeds 2 teaspoons, a small amount of coriander leaves, 100 grams of soaked cashews and some water to make the paste. Blend it all into a smooth paste. Remove the cover and give it a quick mix. Add the paste to the pan. Mix everything. Check the thickness of the curry at this point. I would recommend to add additional water in case if it's too thick. Look at the texture and the color change in the curry. It looks so good and smells amazing as well. We are now going to cook the vegetables again by covering them for 5 to 7 minutes. Almost forgot to add the salt to the curry. Add 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of salt or as per your taste. Cover and cook. After 7 minutes, check the curry and see if the thickness is as per your liking. Also check if all the vegetables are cooked evenly. I am going to let it cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. The vegan korma is ready. You can prepare this recipe with so many different alterations, with different spices, with different vegetables, and it will still be awesome. You can serve this with rice or any Indian bread of your choice like naan, chapati, paratha, etc. I'm going to eat this with some brown rice peas pulao, If you prepare this, make sure to leave a feedback in the comment section. And if you ever have any questions about the recipe, you can reach out to me on Instagram directly at my handle Foodatomic. Make sure to hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel for easy vegan recipes. You can find the written recipe in the description section along with the list of all the equipment and ingredients I use to prepare these videos. And that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.